What's up, guys? This is Lucky over at Utah Tank and Trailer. Today we're going to be going over this 2019 Freightliner Cascadia 126. It's a pretty awesome truck. It's only got 181,000 miles on it. It's got a 505 horsepower Detroit DD15 with a displacement of 14.8. The transmission is an automatic Detroit DT12 with 12 speeds. The drive is 6x4. It's got an air ride suspension, tandem axle with aluminum wheels and a wheelbase of 250 inches. This truck is pretty clean inside and out. I do test drive all these trucks. I always say that I've worked with some other people, and as far as Utah Tank and Trailer go, they pop out nothing but quality. Come on down, give us a call, 801-515-7155, schedule a test drive.